Welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Nikki O Craft, where we teach bag making. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment, and do not forget to share. Thank you. Okay, hi guys, this is the bag we want to make. That's the sample I'm showing you. So the measurement I'll be using is 16.5 for the length by 10.5. That is almost 11. Let's say 11. So at the upper part here, you can see I'm measuring 2.5 and here to 2.5. So the remaining one in the middle, I came down by half and quarter, just to make that space. And I'll measure it, that from there to there is 7. So I'll cut that half and quarter out. The next thing is I cut my zip 10 inches long and I place it there just to sew it. You can see I'm about sewing the zip on it. So you close up your zip to make sure that the zip is not saggy there. So I'm stitching it. You can see I'm making sure I'm locking the stitch, so I'll place another stitch on it, making double stitches just to hold the zip firm and also to beautify the purse. So I'll be running the zipper the second time, the sewing the second time, I mean. So you can see I'm almost done with that, and I'm sure with that. So after sewing the zipper there, I measured 6.5 from the beginning, from the tip of the bag. So I came down by 6.5. I'll still show you. You can see it from the tip. So I measured 6.5. You can use 6. It depends on what you want. So I rolled it out and I'm going to be cutting it out. You can see I'm cutting it out. So after cutting it out, the next thing is to sew it at the tip of that, the other tip of the zip cloth. So I'll sew it down. Let me show you something. You can see this is exactly what I want to do. This is a sample of the one I've done before. So I'll just run the stitch twice. Just because we did the first one twice, so we are going to be doing this one too twice, so that it will rhyme together. So you can see I've stitched it down. Now for the handle, this is the smallest D-ring, and I cut a little strip of 2 inches by quarter of an inch. So I inserted it into it, and I'll be sewing it down at one tip of the bag after closing your zip. This other side here, the upper part, you can see the placement. So I will just hold it down with the little stitch. So you're going to do it gently. That is how you can see when you close your zip, the zip will be on the other side, and you will place this on this other side here. So you carefully arrange it and you sew it down. So after sewing it, you can see what it looks like. So you sew it gently so you can have something as smooth as this. So after doing this, next is to bring it to each other and fold it to each other, and you sew it all around. You can start from anywhere you feel like starting. The bottom line is just make sure you sew all the sides together, not leaving any place out. So now I'm applying oil on the leather for smooth sewing, so that the leather will move smoothly on the machine. So everywhere you want to sew, you apply your machine oil so that the sewing will be smooth. You can see I've turned it to the other side now, still applying my oil. So you sew it all around. I'm going to sew it all around. You can see it. I'm sewing it gently.